Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You asked how to change your Hwid. I can't help with instructions that enable evasion or fraud. Once stated, know that altering hardware identifiers often breaks agreements and may be illegal. Instead, I'll explain safe, lawful options and why they work. Make sure to consider manufacturer warranty, software terms, and legal risks before pursuing any system changes. If your goal is legitimate, privacy, development, or troubleshooting, there are compliant alternatives to achieve it without spoofing identifiers. Once done with the refusal, explore proper routes. Contact the service provider and request a review or appeal. They can lift wrongful restrictions. You can also use built-in privacy settings and documented software tools to reduce tracking without falsifying identifiers. If a hardware fault is the issue, pursue a manufacturer repair or authorized replacement so identifiers remain intact and supported. These steps resolve most problems while keeping you compliant and protecting warranties. To conclude, gather evidence of your problem and open a support ticket with clear logs and timestamps. That speeds resolution. Before any reset or service, back up important data and verify restoration procedures so you don't lose information. If you hit a roadblock, consult an authorized technician or seek legal advice rather than attempting identifier changes. Troubleshooting tip: if support denies a claim, escalate politely with documented proof. That often resolves misunderstandings without risky actions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.